Mabuhay! For today's video, I'm going to provide a review on Niacid by Slurp. And if you want to see the difference on my face after 7 days, please keep on watching. This video will only be covering my experience about the product Niacid by Slurp. But I will be releasing part 2 of the Niacid by Slurp review, which I will cover top 10 frequently asked questions about this product. Okay, so let's start. I guess before I proceed with everything, I was able to buy this product from an online shop in Shopee. The store name is ShopbyAlexie. If you are interested and you'd like to check, I will just link the shop in the description box. Okay, let's talk about my first impression about the product. So, I'm going to take it out from the box. So this is how it looks like. It's very clear, and when you shake it, it's like watery, but in the website it says it's a waterless distillate. And when you open the bottle, you'll see an applicator like that. It's a dropper. The dropper becomes useless if the content of the product is up to this level, because it cannot reach the bottom of the bottle. In terms of the smell, it doesn't have any harsh smell or scent. It's actually odorless. They didn't put any fragrance to it, which is nice. When I apply this on my skin, it is absorbed easily by my skin. It's really like a serum, you know. When you apply this before the makeup, it's really good because it minimizes the pores instantly, and it gives you like a glowy or a dewy skin effect right after you have put this. So if you're gonna use this as a primer, definitely you can. So what I do when I put it on my face, I just count 4 drops on my first cheek. Just make sure that your face will get all of the drops, because you know every drop counts. So you have to massage it all over before it drips down to your neck, because you know the product is so expensive. You have to make sure that every drop will be put to your face. So there, I just put 4 drops on this side of my cheek, and then 4 drops on this side of my cheek. Then I'm gonna put 3 drops on my forehead, and then 2 on my chin. So that's it. You just have to massage the product all over your face. It really makes your face reddish, and it has a stingy sensation that you'll feel, especially if it's your first time. By the way, I prepped my face with a facial cleanser, and as you can see, I just got out of the bath. So I washed my face already, then I put on facial cleanser, just a mild facial cleanser. It really stings on this part, and as you can see, I have pimple here and here. So as you will notice, my face is really not that really good, because for your information, I have polycystic ovarian syndrome. I'm just gonna let the product sit on my face. Well, after 7 days, I've noticed that my face felt smoother compared to before, because I felt it really feels rough when you touch my face because of the pimple marks or acne scars. But after I've used this for 7 days, I noticed that the feeling on my face is smoother. It has a dewy effect on my face, though I have an oily skin type and an acne prone skin type. As you can see, I still have active pimples, but this this product is not created to treat pimples. This product is created to treat or to lessen the visibility of the acne scars. Maybe you're asking, can I use this for stretch marks? Can I use this for keloids or anything? Unfortunately, no, because Niacid is not formulated for those types of scars. Only acne scars and indentations left by pimples. Here in Niacid, at first you will have new pimples just like what happened to mine. After that, when your pimples have finally subsided and then you continue using this, then you're good. I think it's just the purging that is happening on your face every time you put it for the first time. Overall, I'm happy with this product, so I'm going to continue using this. So that's my final recommendation about this product. You should definitely try it if you have pimple scars, but I'm not saying that if this was effective to me or for me, it will also be effective for you. Again, we have different skin types, and the product's efficacy really depends on the reaction of your skin. Yeah, if you are not sure about the product, maybe you should ask your dermatologist first. By the way, the full description or definition of this product and the full details of this product will be posted in my next video, the part 2 of the Niacid by Slurp review. I am going to answer top 10 frequently asked questions about the product. And so this is the 7th day of trying this product. Yeah, so far okay naman siya, but I have a few new pimples on my face right now. It's the time of the month. Yeah, it's the time of the month. That's why I have new pimples. And kapag may mga pimples ako dyan sa chin area, usually it's because of my hormones. Yeah. 4 drops. And then before siya gumapang sa leeg ko. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo sa boses ko, ha? Kasi kagigising ko lang. And there, another 4 here. May nakikita na ba kayong difference? Huwag niyong pansinin yung mga bago. Yun lang, peklat. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya nakakagaling ng pimples. So, ang ginagamit ko sa mga pimples ko ay Speaks G. Oh. Yeah, Speaks G Brightening Cream. Yes. May ilong ko. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so ito yung face ko after 7 days. May mga bago akong tagyawat, pero dito sa area na to, feeling ko kuminis na siya. Yes. Ayan. Ito, hindi ako sure kung nag-lighten. Pero siguro, mamaya, after this vid, mag-insert na lang ako ng before and after. Look, I have new pimples. Ay, ako. Hindi na talaga ako tinantanan nitong mga tagyawat na to. Minamahal ko naman sila, pero ba't di nila ako iniiwan? Aside from this product, I'm using other products alongside this one. I'm using Kojic soap for my face to clean my face, and then Escanol facial cleanser. And then after that, then that's the time I'm gonna use, or I'm going to put Niacid on my face. After Niacid, of course, it's very important that you have your sunblock, because again, it has acid, it has niacinamide, and it has active ingredients, so it's very important you put sunblock on after. And in the evening, you can use night cream. Well, in my case, I use brightening cream of Speaks G. By the way, I have a review, a separate video for that. Maybe you can watch the video. I'll link the video here in the description section. I hope you watch that, guys. And then, yeah, so that's how my skincare routine looks like. I don't use any other BHA or AHA serum or any other products that has also active ingredients like AHA or BHA, because they are both active ingredients. And well, if you wish to use AHA and or BHA alongside with Niacid, maybe I would suggest to use it on a different time. Maybe you can use the AHA or BHA product in the morning, then Niacid at night, or maybe you can do otherwise, or vice versa. Niacid in the morning, then AHA or BHA at night. Same goes with vitamin C serum. Okay, so I'm not going to take so much of your time anymore. I'm going to end the video here. If you have further questions about this product, please leave a comment. So here's the before and after photo of my face after 7 days of using Niacid. What do you think, guys? Is there any difference at all in the photo? I don't think the photo is an enough evidence, but if you'll ask me, I can feel the difference, because every time I touch my face, I feel like it's smoother compared to before I used the product. But yeah, I know that 7 days is not yet enough for us to really decide whether Niacid is effective or not. So I'm going to try this and finish the whole bottle and maybe provide you an update afterwards. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope I was able to provide a quality review on Niacid by Slurp. And if you find this video helpful, please like and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to get more content from me similar to this one, please click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Again, this is Amethyst, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!